The beginning of love is to let those we love be perfectly themselves, and not to twist them to fit our own image. Otherwise, we love only the reflection of ourselves we find in them. You're welcome to my channel, Zulu Queens, where you would find the beauty of African Zulu paradise. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment and share for more videos. The culture of Africa is incredibly interesting due to the fact it is varied, depending on which country you visit. The continent is home to diverse populations, many of which have been influenced by external factors. Each country has its own tribes, languages, and cultural differences. Even small African countries like Uganda have more than 30 established tribes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment and share for more beautiful videos. Africa is a large and diverse continent that extends from South Africa northward to the Mediterranean Sea. The continent makes up 1/5 of the total land surface of Earth. Widely recognized as the birthplace of humankind. Africa saw the rise of great kingdoms, faced the transatlantic slave trade, colonization and apartheid. When it comes to African history and culture, there is so much to learn about. The best way to understand the various different customs and cultures is to visit African countries and speak to the people. With some of the most diverse customs, languages, and traditions in the world, Africa is truly a fascinating continent. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment and share for more beautiful videos.